Fluke 301C. It is a CAPACITOR 300 watt, 1000 amp AC current cam. It 2 RMS 6000 count. Its mount is 34 mm. It use battery 2 piece of AAA. Its weight is 132 grams. Its size is 190 mm times 52 mm times 60 mm. Its AC current is 0.01 amp to 1000 amp. AC voltage is 0.1 watt to 600 watt. DC voltage is 0.1 watt to 600 watt. Its resistor range is 600 to 60 kΩ. Capacity is 9.99 μF to 999.9 μF. AC watt frequency is 9.999 Hz to 99.99 kHz. AC frequency is 45 to 400 Hz. And it have continuity, die test function, and data hold, backlight function, and APO. When not use the meter 20 minutes may be auto power off. And now see the meter. Meter function explain. 301C is made in China. It comes with a pair of AAA battery, a test pen, a meter, and the parser. Environment protest shirt. Simple safety information. Advertising paper. Simple how to use the meter menu. And let's see the meter. In the first one is off the meter. Now is AC voltage test. And long part, this yellow key may be to the frequency measure. And next is a DC voltage measure. And upper is a resistor measure and continuity measure. Put the yellow key maybe to the capacitor mode. Put again maybe to the time mode. And long part this switch may be backlight on. The backlight may be auto turn off in 2 minutes. And upper is the AC current measure. And put again maybe to the frequency measure. Okay. Let's see the meter user menu. See, in the meter have a clock. There may be auto power off the meter in 20 minutes. And the backlight, when the backlight on, normal is 2 minutes maybe come down. And when you use this method, the meter may be cancel the auto power off the backlight. Let's try it. First, turn off the meter. Long part this way. And turn on. And long part again. Wait for the LOLF come out. And now release the switch. They have R012 come out. That may be cancel the backlight 2 minute U auto power off. And now time the backlight may be use it in a long time. Okay. Other function is use the whole key at this position to cancel the auto power off function. Now see how to use. First, put on the whole key and turn on the meter. And see the meter have a POFF come out and R012 come out. The auto power off clock may be disappear and the meter can use a long time. Okay. Other test. Western DC voltage test. Now 2.5 watt. It shows 2.5 watt. 5 watt. It shows 5.0 watt. 7.5 watt. It shows 7.5 watt. 10 watt. It shows 10 watt. The reference voltage is like this. Okay, next test. And normal AC voltage test. It shows 221.3 watt. Or 220 now, 0.9. And let's see the hertz. By pressing this week, it shows 50.01 hertz. Need the 189 value. Okay, next test. Resistance test. Now test on the reference resistance first. For the resistance is 4.9987 kΩ. And let's see it. It shows 5.00 kΩ. And let's see the meter in capacitor. The reference is 120.47 nF. And pass the key to the capacitor and test it. It shows 0.120 μF. It's very accuracy. And now testing the resistor. Turn to the resistor mode. Now it's 0.5 amp. And let's test it. It shows 0.7 amp. By short the test lead, it's 0.2 or 0.1. When decrease the reading, maybe about 0.6 amp need the reading. And now see the bigger one, 1 amp. It shows 1.2, 10 amp. It shows 10.2 amp, 20.03 K. It shows 20.02 K. 2 MET. It's so overload because this meter max is 60 kΩ. Okay, next test. Normal capacitor test. Now test on this one. Recharge it first. It may be 10.67 μF. It needs a reading of this one, 10 μF. And let's see another. There's 30 μF. And discharge it first. It's so 30.64 μF. It very well. And this meter mix is 999.9 μF. And now testing the bigger one. There is 1000 μF of capacitor. And let's see it. It may be so the overload. Okay, next test. And let's see this meter of dye test function. It can show 0.486 watt. It very well of this meter. And let's see this meter output voltage. Its output voltage is 3.23 watt about. And let's see this meter dynamo light on the LED. It can light on red, yellow, green, blue, and white. Okay, next test. Continuity test. This meter when in resistor mode. Now resistor mode. It is under 30 ohm, maybe be on. And let's see 30 ohm. Now 30 ohm, they may not sound. And let's see the board now can do 29.8 or 7 or 6 ohm, maybe be on now. And now testing the continuity. If far that no rebound. 1, 2, about 2 seconds, maybe be on. Then maybe so 0.2 ohm or 1 ohm, 0.1 ohm, and about 84 dB max. Okay, next test. AC current test. If you a hair dryer for testing the current. Now 0.45 M. Now 0.77 M. And this meter show 0.76. And 319 shows 0.73. And Fluke 189 is 4M, and this meter show 3.94 and higher. And Fluke 189 is 5.69 or 68. This meter show 5.57. Okay. And this meter when low current, put the switch to the hertz and no any reading come out. We try it. Now it's 0.75 M. They cannot show the frequency. And 10 times the current. 10 times the current is so 49.9 Hertz. You can show the Hertz. Now show the 10 times current. It's so 7.93 M or 92, and 319 is 7.6, and make a high. And this meter show 41.06 M. And 319 shows 40. And higher. Then overload this meter. This meter 319 shows 56.4. And this meter 57.77. You can hold the data by pressing this switch. Okay, next test. Power consumption test. Supply voltage 3 watt, and Reference DC watt is 1 watt. This meter shows 0.9 watt DC, and draw current is 0.001 amp. And see the backlight on. And when backlight on, there may be 0.003 amp. And now see the meter for low down the voltage. $2.9, $2.8, $2.6, $2.5, $2.4, $2.2. There may be battery low logo come out, rising up. It about 2.3 watt, maybe the battery low logo come out. Now 2.4 watt, 2.3 watt. Now so the battery low logo come out. Okay, next test. This meter minimum frequency is 0.8 Hz. And this meter max is 100 kHz. It's so 99.99 kHz. 301C high voltage DC test. Now 250 watt. It's so 258.2 watt and 0.88 mega ohm. And make a high 500 watt test. It may show 512.3 DC and 0.86 mega ohm. Okay, next test. 301C auto power off test. And when you want to cancel the auto power off by pressing the hold key first and turn on the meter, then maybe have this logo and show the POFF and release. They have R012 come out, and now time the meter cancel the auto power off function. The auto power function off power function is when not you in 20 minutes maybe auto power off. And now we test on the auto power off. They have a logo in this. And we test it now. And now maybe video speed up and for testing. Meter T down. Okay, tea done finished.